Alright, so we're standing outside here, just put on the newly made camper, truck camper. Some of you may be asking, why the hell would you build a truck camper? I asked myself that many times through this whole process. It's been a long journey. We're finally at the end point, minus a few tweaks here and there though. But one of the main reasons I wanted to build a camper, one, the fun of it, two, the functionality, and wanted to fit my truck the way I wanted to, and have certain features, or actually lack thereof features, that a lot of campers might have, like plumbing. Didn't want to mess with that. Same with the refrigerator. Just wanted to keep it simple and want to be able to use it for fishing adventures, hunting adventures, and road trip, and just keep it simple, and also be able to accommodate up to 4 people when we have some of those adventures going on. So you can see it's a little I'd say bland right now, but we got some decals coming to kind of spruce it up, to do with some of that void there though. But it fits like I wanted it to, tight, but it fits great. You can see the outside is actually skinned with plywood, then painted with truck bed liner, actually marine grade truck bed liner, same stuff they use for boats. Super durable, just like truck bed liner. It does not have a texture other than orange peel from the roller that I use to apply it. I got that idea from watching other YouTube videos of, you know, a guy that actually has built several campers. Gave me a lot of great ideas, and I really liked how he utilized that truck bed liner, and thought it was a really good seamless product that offers a lot of protection. See, everything on it is new. Jacks, so I can get it on and off, which is an adventure, especially doing the first time. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. You can see one of the main features that I wanted to have is to not have to remove my tailgate every time I put this on and on, for a couple of reasons. Take tailgate off, it's a pain in the butt. You got to store it somewhere, you're going to dent it. The other reason is that there's a backup camera here, so when I'm hooking up my boat, I can do that easily without needing a whole lot of assistance, because I can still see out the camera. Not only that, makes for a great little porch, sitting around, tailgating, whatever. Let's go ahead and hop up in here. That's another thing that I'm probably going to try to figure out, a easier way of maybe having some drop down steps. Not sure yet. May just carry a step ladder. Okay, so go ahead and come on inside here. We've got dimmable lights here. You'll see as you come in, maybe you can see now, but they're just LED puck lights. Got 4 in the back, 4 in the front. You can dim them, brighten them as much as you want there. Got a little closet area here that is multifunctional. I can carry a pop-up tent, like shade shelter, straps into the bungees. Bag chairs can go in there, guns. Got hooks, coat hooks for hanging hats, coats, other gear, boots. Also got electronics here, so I can plug in boot dryers. I got 12 volt as well too, for miscellaneous chargers, dryers. Other storage right here is miscellaneous. The only thing really got in there is a porta pot. Did want plumbing, but did need to have something in case of emergencies where there's not a toilet, and may not be in a place to easily go outside, so wanted to have that. This is where I have the cooler, which I just realized is backwards. So again, didn't want to have a refrigerator, but do need access for food. So got a nice cooler that keeps ice really well. No plumbing, but still need water. Got water here. Got the spout turned inside out though, but you can pour water here, you can pour it there. I'm kind of on a slant right now. But it stores away during travel, so it doesn't bounce around anywhere. The other thing too is on a long hunting trip, got dogs, we're on a bird hunting trip or whatever, we want to have 2 of these. We can have another one stored right there. The other functionality that I don't have here just for this video is my big 120 quart cooler. Slides right in there, and then I got tie downs there with bungees to keep it in place as well too. Great functionality. Miscellaneous little cabinet, drawer. Don't know what all is going in it yet. You can see all the cabinets are push buttons, so when they're pushed in, it's locked again. So during travel, not losing gear. Pop it up. All baskets, towels, miscellaneous. All those. So in the kitchen area, got a kind of a kitchen countertop here. Again, no fuel or anything in here other than portable stuff. So I've got a portable 1 burner, little gas 1 burner I can pull out, use, cook here if the weather's foul, or you can pull it out and cook on the tailgate or wherever. Again, that stores here. This also hides all electrical for the components back here, and I've got similar components here. And then really nice high quality windows that slide open to vent. Speaking of vents, we've got electric vents here that can push and pull, turn them on. I got one up front as well too, so you can get air movement. You see the ceiling here is headliner trimmed with wood trim. Same with the lights here, it helps hold those puck lights in. Then I got a shelf up over here, runs almost the length of it. You can throw guns up there. If you don't want to put them in the locker, you got other stuff, clothes, miscellaneous, got little baskets to throw stuff in there so it doesn't slide around. Also, I mentioned that this sleeps 4. Obviously we got the big bed up front here, but this little U-shaped dinette also converts into a bed, and so does this. You got a bunk bed here, and then this won't fully do it here, but pretty much just like that converts into a bed there. So now I can sleep 2 people there, 2 people up there. The thing about this bunk, you saw me kind of fold down. That's kind of when we know that we're going to have 4 people. We're in between moving spots or whatever, and we still want to, you know, not have to pull down every time. But one option when you're not using it for a long time or need to store it somewhere else is it also stores conveniently back here and out of the way. Had these custom made, as you see, so they just barely fit. That way you can still play Tetris and be able to fit everybody in here. And I may have done it wrong. Close enough. There we go. There we go. So yeah, now it's stored out of the way. You can see up front of our big bed here, there's still storage space up there. Well, there was space up there and we wanted to utilize it for storage, so put a big stretchy cargo net up there so we can throw blankets, pillows, extra clothes, miscellaneous, whatever. Also, forgot to mention I got electrical over here. That's where the dimmer is, but also got the 12 volt and also USB for phone chargers. Got a USB charger up there on that other side of the bed. You even have one for the guy or person sitting or sleeping up here that wants to charge their phone and have access to it. Got one up there. And these are access doors for the tie downs in the bed of the truck. Another thing I forgot to point out was the electrical cabinet. I mentioned that the panel here, which you might be able to see if you come in around, actually, See the electrical panel here. It's all DC, AC, battery monitor. Something you can't see is I actually have solar up there. So I got 200 watts of solar capacity, 2 panels. All the electrical components are in here. See, I got a 1,000-watt inverter charger, which allows me to also plug into shore power and charge the battery that way, and also run all the 110 circuitry on shore power. So if I'm hooked up at a campsite or at a ski resort and want to run a little portable heater, won't draw the battery down because obviously a portable heater would just suck that battery dry. It's got a 100 amp hour battery. All the fusing and components there to help ensure everything's safe. Also have a shut off. Yeah, came out pretty good. I was pretty happy with that. Pretty clean looking, functional, and was engineered to have more capacity if I ever want to expand. Like I could put a AC unit in there. I've got it pre-wired, ready to go. That would require obviously hooked up shore power running off a generator.